Children, now we are going to write alphabet, double joinus of alphabet R. Okay, R does not have any basic stroke, but it's a beautiful letter. R is a cursive. R is very beautiful letter. How we write, that is the shape. You observe that shape. Now we have to write the individual R. Starts from the bottom line, little bit curve, and draw like this. You won't write, you have to draw. Okay, that makes your handwriting very beautiful and legible. So start from here, then touch the top line, and this corner is blunt in shape. It should be sharp. It does not like good. Okay, this is blunt shape, and observe the spacing here and here. These upper and lower position spacing, it's the same in length. Okay, children, now we are joining letter R, complete R, then A. Now complete the alphabet A. That's R, A. Then next one is R, B. Okay. Then R, C. And one more thing, while you are writing in your 4 lines notebook, take out a very rigid pen. Don't use ballpoint or anything pen. Most of the stick pen is a specific then ink pen. No, don't use the ballpoint pen. It was somewhat gliding, so it's not gripness, and your writing style, it may vary. So take the stick pen or rigid nib pen. Okay, use always that type of kind of pen. Or C. Next one is R, D. Then R, E. Then R, F. Next R, G. Touch the descender line and observe this shape, exactly oval shape, R, G. Next R, H. Okay, R, H, and R, I. R, I. Then R, J. Next one R, K. Next one R, L. And R, M. Then R, N. Okay, then R, O. R, O. And R, P. Next one R, Q. And observe all double joiners, always be slanting, children, it should not be erect. R, Q. Next one is R, R, and this rounded loop also, it's similar to in that size and shape. Okay, make it as smaller loop. Don't put the bigger one, it may not good. R, R, and R, yes. Then R, T. Then R, U. Next one R, V, R, W, and R, X, R, Y, and the last one is R, Z. From RA to RZ. Now we are going to write double joinus of alphabet S. Similar to that of R, S also does not have any basic strokes. Okay, remember that, children. Only it lies between the top line and bottom line, and observe the shape only. Okay, then listen here. First write the individual letter S. Okay, this shapes, I already told that it's a drawing of duck shape. Okay, then now we have to join another with another alphabet. So write S. Okay, then come back and A, oval shape, and again you form the E. Simply S, D. Don't take out of your hand from your notebook, children. Continually say yes, D. Yes. Okay, then comes back, then C. Simply listen, understand, children. Listen here, yes. Okay, then come back, then make it D stop and slanting line, D. Okay, S, D. Next, yes, E. Then yes, F. Okay, S, F. Next one, yes, G. Then yes, H. Write first yes, slanting stop, and H. S, H, and then yes, I. The second letter, understand, observe all the second letters. It has its own stop, and write it as a slanting position. Don't forget that, not to be erect. Okay, children. Then yes, I. Next, yes, J. Yes, J. Then yes, K. And yes, L. Okay, observe the spacing also. Same lengthen. Okay, then yes, M. S, L, S, M, and yes, N. Then next one, yes, O. Okay, then yes, P. Okay, and yes, Q. Next one, yes, R, and yes, yes. Okay, then yes, T. Next one, yes, U. And the last line, yes, V. Straight slanting V, and yes, W, and X, X, and yes, Y. Touch the descender line and slanting line. Yes, Z is the last one. Okay, from SA to SZ. Now we are going to write the double joinus of alphabet T. Okay, first we have to write the individual alphabet T. That is T, it comes from the stroke, that is tick stroke. Okay, then form the T. Okay, then now we have to join T with all other alphabets. So that is a stroke, T and A. Okay, then T, B. Next one, T, C. T, C. Then T, D. Children, one more thing, remember you that while you are writing, you have to say the names of lines in your mind. That is, as underline top and bottom. So while you are writing next one, I told like that T. So observe the lines. It goes upward the top line. Then T, E. E lies between only the which one? Top line and bottom line. So in your mind say the line names and write it. So it improves your concentration also. Then T, F. T, F. Then T, G. T, G. Then next one, T, H. T, H. And T, I. Okay. Then T, J. And next T, K. What next? T, L. Then T, M. Next one, T, N. And T, O. Then T, P. What next? T, Q. T, Q. And T, R. And T, yes. Then T, T. T, U. T, V. T, W. And T, X. Next one, T, Y. And the last one is T, Z. So from TA to TZ. Okay. Now we are going to write the alphabet U. Simple, it is so simple and it is very easy to your children because U is a easy alphabet. That's a tick stove. Okay, tick stove. Form the alphabet U. In alphabet U, you listen here, the spacing is very important. The top position space and the lowermost spacing, and in between these space also very important. It's same in size. Okay, then now we have to write U joined with the alphabet A. Okay, U A, and next one is U B. U B. Next one U C. It is very easy. U B and U C, and write U D slanting. U D. Next one is U E. Okay, then U F. Okay, then U G. And U H. U G, U H, and U I. Next one is U J and U K. Okay, then U L, U K, U L, and U M, U M, and U N, U M, U N, and U O. Then what next? U P. Okay, children. Then U Q. Then what next? U R and U S. Next one U T and U. Same spacing and length. U A, U T, U U. Next U V and U W and U X and U Y. Touch the descender line. And the last one is U Z. So from UA to UZ. Okay.